And in matters governance, claims of corruption have rocked the 11 committee that cleared the CS for Agriculture Mithika Linturi in the impeachment motion that sought his ouster following allegations of involvement in the sale and distribution of fake fertilizer during the heated special sitting of the House. Some members of Parliament alleged that some committee members were bribed with 5 million shillings each to give the CS a clean bill of health, pointing their fingers at the 7 members who voted in favor of Linturi. KTN's political affairs reporter Emmanuel To has more.
Order, honorable members, we have quorum to transact business.
After 3 days of marathon hearings that began Wednesday last week, the 11-member committee tasked with considering the impeachment motion against the Agriculture CS Mithika Linturi Monday afternoon came back with a verdict.
The allegation under ground 1 on gross violation of the Constitution or any other law, ground 2 on serious reasons for believing that the Cabinet Secretary has committed a crime under national law, and ground 3 on the gross misconduct as outlined in the special motion are unsubstantiated.
The committee's 7 members, drawn from the Kenya Kwanza side, voting to get the CS off the hook, while the rest from the Azimio side stuck to their guns.
The Honorable TJ Kajwang, the Honorable Yusuf Farah, the Honorable Catherine Omanyo, and the Honorable Robert Mbui stood with the Kenyan farmers and said enough is enough and the CS must go.
I would be in order to persuade this House to decline, to refuse to recognize Mithika Linturi as Cabinet Secretary from now going forward.
Honorable Speaker, he did not manage to raise a strong case, to bring a watertight evidence.
The decision raising jitters in the House as members accused the 7 who rejected the motion of corruption.
And a disclosure has been made to me that questions and alleges impropriety and misconduct by some members of the committee.
Dada yangu Omanyo, huyu, she was offered money, 5 million. Alikataa, akasema atasimama na Wakenya.
Even up to yesterday, 11 p.m. somebody was following me because they knew we had not voted.
The 7 from Kenya Kwanza include Marsabit woman representative Naomi Jilo Wako, Ainabkoi MP Samuel Chepkonga, Tharaka MP George Murugara, Kirinyaga woman representative Jane Maina, Malava MP Malulu Injendi, Matuga MP Kasim Tandaza, and Jubilee's Rachel Nyamai from Kitui South. Jubilee, which is a parliamentary party, has declared interest in working with the Kenya Kwanza regime.
That if you look at those 7 members who have rejected this report, even on the floor of the House, about 5 or 6 of them made their contribution and they supported Linturi on the floor of the House.
The decision of 149 members of Parliament has been brought down by only 7 members.
Minority, watu wa 7 peke yake, wamepinga, wanabadilisha matakwa ya wabunge 149.
And while the impeachment motion has been defeated, the mover Bomula MP Jack Wamboka has promised another battle royale.
Saa hii tumeweka rat and rat, panya ameponyoka. Sasa iko kiberiti kuweka nyumba chini.
And as the CS for Agriculture Mithika Linturi goes back to his office after being let off the hook by the 11-member committee of the National Assembly, questions raised by thousands of farmers as to who is responsible for the sale and distribution of the fake fertilizer continues to remain unanswered as the farmers hope for an answer soon. Emmanuel To, KTN News, Parliament Buildings, Nairobi.